ka ba? Yan daw. Ako
My
ano.
God.
Yay! Ah! Naiyak ulit, baby ko! Baby ko! Naiyak ulit si Layla na game.
Ayoko yung -1 ko kasi masyado mabilis.
Gusto mo ba mabagal?
Hindi, bumilis lang yan.
Magkasundo. Hindi ako nakapag-pedicure kagabi.
Ay, pwede parinig lang sa akin.
Hinahanap ba yung subscribe?
Nasa 1, wala ba yung 1?
Mag-shampoo na rin kaya ako para diretso na.
Tala.
5, 4, 3.
Wala sa 11. 1 na. Sabi ko 1. Anyway.
Hindi ka pala. Oh, tell me your love. Where is this someone who will turn to look at me and want to share my every sweet imagined possibility? The more I live, the more I learn. The more I learn, the more I realize. The less I know, each step I take. Papa, I've a voice now, each page I turn. Papa, I've a choice now, each mile I travel only means the more I have to grow. What's wrong with wanting more? If you can fly, then soar. With all there is, why settle for just a piece of sky?
Bilis nyo.
Sky, Papa, I can feel you. Papa, I can see you. Papa, I can hear you. Papa, watch me fly. Number 1 lang pala siya. Anong number, Sir Mig?
3. Tinalan ko kaya ko nang walang vocalization. I want to see your face in every kind of light, in fields of dawn and forests of the night. And when you stand before the candles on a cake, oh, let me be the one to hear the silent wish you make. Those tomorrows waiting deep in your eyes, in a world of love you keep in your eyes. I'll awaken what's asleep in your eyes. It may take a kiss or two. Summer, winter, spring and fall of my life. All I ever will recall of my life is all of my life with you.